Pecans are often associated with delicious pies, holiday desserts, and southern-style cooking, but these buttery nuts have much more to offer than incredible flavor. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, minerals, antioxidants, and beneficial plant compounds, pecans can be a surprisingly nutritious addition to a balanced diet. Whether you sprinkle them over oatmeal, toss them into a salad, or simply enjoy a handful as a snack, pecans can provide several potential benefits that make them worth adding to your regular routine. Number 1. Supports heart health. Pecans are rich in unsaturated fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which can support cardiovascular health when they replace foods higher in saturated fats. Research has found that regular pecan consumption may improve several blood lipid measures, including total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol. Their combination of healthy fats, fiber, antioxidants, and plant compounds makes pecans a heart-friendly food when enjoyed as part of an overall balanced diet. Number 2. May help manage cholesterol. One of the most impressive areas of research surrounding pecans involves cholesterol. Pecans contain unsaturated fats and phytosterols, compounds that may contribute to healthier cholesterol levels. In clinical research, people who consumed pecans regularly experienced improvements in LDL and total cholesterol compared with controlled diets. Replacing highly processed snacks with a moderate serving of pecans may therefore be a simple way to make your everyday diet more nutritious. Number 3. Provides antioxidant protection. Pecans contain a variety of antioxidant compounds, including polyphenols and tocopherols. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals. Pecans are particularly notable because they combine these plant compounds with healthy fats and other nutrients rather than providing antioxidants in isolation. Adding pecans to your diet can therefore contribute to the overall antioxidant capacity of your meals. Number 4. May support healthy blood sugar. Pecans are relatively low in carbohydrates while providing fat, fiber, and some protein, making them a satisfying alternative to many sugary snacks. This combination can help make a meal or snack more balanced and may be especially useful when pecans replace refined carbohydrate-heavy foods. Some controlled research has also found favorable effects on measures related to insulin sensitivity and blood sugar regulation. However, pecans should be viewed as one part of a healthy eating pattern rather than a treatment for diabetes. Number 5. Can help you feel satisfied. Few things are more frustrating than eating a snack only to feel hungry again shortly afterward. Pecans contain fat, fiber, and plant-based protein, a combination that can contribute to feelings of fullness and satisfaction. Their rich texture also makes a small serving feel substantial, which can make them a convenient snack between meals. Because pecans are calorie-dense, however, portion size still matters if you're watching your overall calorie intake. Number 6. Supports digestive health. Pecans provide dietary fiber, an important nutrient for maintaining regular digestion and supporting a healthy gastrointestinal system. Fiber adds bulk to stool and can help promote normal bowel movements. The plant compounds found in pecans are also attracting scientific interest because of their potential interactions with the gut microbiome. While more human research is needed, adding pecans to a varied, fiber-rich diet can certainly contribute to better overall nutrition. Number 7. Provides essential minerals. Pecans may be small, but they contain several important minerals, including magnesium and copper. Magnesium contributes to normal muscle and nerve function while also participating in numerous energy-producing processes throughout the body. Copper supports normal connective tissue formation, iron metabolism, and nervous system function. Eating nutrient-dense foods such as pecans can help you obtain these micronutrients alongside healthy fats, fiber, and plant compounds. Number 8. May support metabolic health. Metabolic health involves more than body weight and includes factors such as blood sugar, cholesterol, triglycerides, and insulin sensitivity. Pecans are being studied for their potential role in supporting several of these markers because of their combination of unsaturated fats, fiber, and bioactive plant compounds. Recent clinical research has found improvements in several blood lipid measures among adults consuming pecans regularly. These findings suggest that pecans can be a useful component of a dietary pattern designed to support long-term cardiometabolic health. Number 9. Contributes to brain-friendly nutrition. Your brain depends on a steady supply of energy, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and protective plant compounds. Pecans provide several of these nutritional components, including unsaturated fats and antioxidants, making them an interesting addition to a diet focused on overall brain and cardiovascular health. Research specifically proving that pecans improve memory or prevent cognitive decline is still limited, so claims about direct brain-boosting effects should be treated cautiously. Nevertheless, incorporating nutrient-dense nuts into a varied diet is a sensible way to support overall nutritional health. Number 10. Makes healthy eating more enjoyable. Perhaps one of the most overlooked benefits of pecans is how easily they can make nutritious foods taste better. Their naturally buttery flavor and satisfying crunch can transform everything from oatmeal and yogurt to salads, roasted vegetables, and whole grain dishes. This matters because a healthy diet is much easier to maintain when the food is genuinely enjoyable. By adding flavor and texture while providing valuable nutrients, pecans can make healthy eating feel less like a chore and more like something to look forward to. Pecans are far more than an ingredient for pies and desserts, as their nutritional profile makes them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. They provide healthy unsaturated fats, fiber, minerals, antioxidants, and other beneficial plant compounds that may support heart, metabolic, digestive, and overall health. The strongest evidence currently points toward benefits involving cholesterol and cardiovascular risk factors, while research into blood sugar, gut health, appetite, and cognitive health continues to develop. The simplest approach is to enjoy a moderate portion of unsalted pecans as a replacement for less nutritious snacks rather than treating them as a miracle food. With their impressive nutritional profile and delicious flavor, pecans prove that eating well doesn't have to mean sacrificing the foods you love. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.